Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Stray Kids reaction. Today we are checking out two songs. We're checking out Thunderous and Megaverse. I've had a lot of recommendations to check out so many songs from Stray Kids, and I'm so excited because I'm still getting to know them through their music. I still want to jump into, I know they have like variety shows that you guys mentioned. So I still want to jump into that and kind of like get to know them through their personalities. But yeah, I'm excited. I've been having a lot of fun getting to know Stray Kids. I think their music is very energetic, very unique, very bold, and I love it. So let's jump into these two reactions and see what we have in store. Excited. Okay, one thing I know is whenever Changbin starts a song, it's gonna be fire. Like it's gonna be lit. So yeah, let me start that all over again.
허리케인이 뒤집어진 우산 잔소리꾼의 최후가 우리 좋구나 나무꾼은 어서 돌아가시오 여긴 나무랄 데가 없네 납작해질 리 없는 콧대와 핏대와 함께 세운 줍대 훨씬 더 웅장하게 되는 경적 소리 악당무리의 뜨거운 피가 돌아온 몸에 번져 소문난 군들의 모임에 쏟아지는 눈빛이 freezing cold I know you'll live forever 해보라는 태도 난 여전히 알아를 내뱉지 퇴퇴퇴 소리꾼
Ooh. Oh, okay. Oh my god. The production on this has to be insane. Has to be insane.
이거저거 귀찮아서 도리도리 말이 너무 많아 자꾸 나서지 좀 마라 Why you mad, why you sad, why you tick, tick, tick I don't ban 중 얼레리 걸레리 멋있는 척들이 양진 발끝 조찬도 따라오지 못한 여기는 팬들 들어봐 질투가 정말 저기로 치워놓고 버려 기특함 악당 무리의 뜨거운 피가 돌아온 몸에 던져 소문난 군들의 모임에 쏟아지는 눈빛이 freezing cold I know we'll burn forever 해보라는 태도는 여전히 하나를 내뱉지 퇴퇴퇴
Oh, cool.
퇴퇴퇴 소리꾼 And I'm not sorry, daddy 군들이 왔어요 군들이 왔어요 날이면 날마다 오는 날이 아닌 오늘 소리꾼들이 왔어요 원래 삐딱해 소리는 일단 백 맘에 안 들면 들 때까지 말 대답해 Final warning 당장 back up press up 센쳐 break up 하나를 내뱉지 퇴퇴퇴 소리꾼
Sweat, sweat, sweat.
소리꾼 And I'm not sorry, I'm dirty 콱콱콱콱 쳐
It's crazy. Wow. Very thunderous for sure. I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. Man, that was so intense. Like it was so aggressive as usual. I feel like that is kind of like Stray Kids sound, which I love because they do it in a good way. It felt aggressive, very intense, very energetic. The rap, oh boy, the rap was so sharp, the beat was so hard, the choreo was so powerful. Like one thing is that they always come very confident. Like whenever you watch Stray Kids, you know that oh these guys are really confident because they just They just show up and show out. And I love that. I love learning that about Stray Kids. And it wasn't just loud for the sake of being loud. It felt like they were making a statement, like challenge me in a way. And even though it was intense, everything looked like really controlled. And it just made everything like the performance, the MV very impressive. Yeah, and I didn't even have to read the lyrics to know that this was going to be a very intense MV and song. They just executed it in a very perfect way. And this is why I want to jump into their live performance because I feel like the MV just comes with so much intensity. So imagine seeing that on stage. Like it's going to be crazy. It's definitely going to be lit for sure. But yeah, there were moments where I forgot to read the subtitles because there was so much happening visually, and like the performance on this is like really interesting, especially the beat. Like I feel like there was so many layered sounds, and I appreciate that even though it's aggressive, it never feels messy. Like even from the choreo, everything just feels bold, energetic, strong, confident, powerful. Because that those are words that I kind of relate to Stray Kids just because anytime I watch their music video, I'm always like, wow, these guys are powerful. Like they just come in with so much energy right from the start. And I love that. And they never let up. It's like beginning to the end, it's just energy. And I love it so much. And I'm kind of wondering what the next song is going to sound like. I mean, I know their sound is usually like very, aggressive, very energetic. But I feel like they might surprise me with this one. Well, let's jump into Megaverse. Oh. Oh. What? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay. I have to hear that again. Felix? Oh my god, I'm in love with Chang Bin's rap. Like, oh my god, whenever he starts rapping, it's over. Han as well, like these guys are ridiculous.
Welcome to the Stray Kids Hot Megaverse.
What?
Welcome to the Stray Kids Hot Megaverse. 잡았다 큰 거 하나 온다 떠봐 떨어라 Atlas 닥치는 대로 치워 삼켜 소화해 모든 서버 Megaverse 결말을 뻔하게 만들어 결국 끝이 보지 메가트론 영향력은 증폭돼 속삭였다 메가폰 같이 모여 퍼뜨려 Holy Ghost 몰아치게 나도 out of the way 헛소리는 입에 젖은 철컥 We make the rules nobody can make it 아니고 못 베껴 들어보고 새겨 비켜 삥 둘러봤자 방금 백관 탁자 잠겨 my world power 올라가 하이팅 오버를 random ay 올라가지 저 밑에 서버 모두 시대가 왔지 ay now 여기 위에서 말한 대로 내 위치는 다 Speechless wordless 이 빨리 쟤는 듣고 없어 You know we're getting fearless reckless
I need to catch my breath after that rap because that was insane. What? I was not prepared, guys. Wow. I might have to watch this again.
울려 퍼지는 우리 음악 소리 생각하는 대로 행동 우리 feel 듣고 따라 우리 만들어 현실로 Every time we move the universe will follow Welcome to the Stray Kids Hot Megaverse
Ooh, I love this part.
Stray Kids Welcome to the Stray make a turn 웬만해 손들 때 누구에게 안 굴려 Stray Kids This a Megaverse Big Bang The party's great Cause we make it rain Yeah, yeah, yeah This a Megaverse Big Bang Everything's right Welcome to the Stray Kids Hot Megaverse
What does that say? Hold on. Okay. I felt like I just watched a movie in under 5 minutes. I feel like the rap line absolutely dominated this song. Like their flow switched up so many times. But I still like how they balanced the aggressive rap sections with like the vocals. It kept the song from feeling like one dimensional. But yeah, this was insane. I feel like my brain is still trying to process everything that just happened. Like there was so much going on, but like in the best way possible. And like every time I thought I knew where the song was headed, it switched things up. And Megaverse definitely lives up to its name because it's the production on this, the lyrics, the choreo, everything just felt intentional and intense, and I loved it so much. But yeah, I need to dive into their live performance next because just watching this alone, just the energy, just imagine that on like a live stage. I just know they're gonna kill it. So I'm gonna jump into their live performance pretty soon. I still want to check out, like, I know they have their variety shows as well, so I want to check those out. You guys can put it in the comments what you want me to check out next, but also let me know what you thought of both songs, Thunderous and Megaverse. Like, were you shocked? Were you blown away? Just put it in the comments. I would love to know. And thank you guys for your recommendations. They have really been helping me get to know Stray Kids more through the music. And yeah, just keep them coming. Well, that is it for the reaction. As always, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next.